The last cupboard here on the driver's side is where the batteries are. So we have two 100 amp hour deep cycle Century batteries in here. Just be mindful there's a test due date sticker, so get those tested at Century or Battery World after the due date. This is where you would attach your alligator clips to charge your battery, which we have a separate instruction video on that we can link you to. So let's have a look where the on-off switch is for the trailer, for the power. In this cupboard here. So we have our circuit breakers in here, and here's our main isolating switch which turns the whole unit on and off. So off is in the down position, it pushes in a little bit and then you rotate it and now the unit's on. If you have your trailer connected to your car and you have an Anderson plug, the battery will charge and you don't need to have this isolating switch on, and also the fridge will run in the fridge slide if you have your fridge connected and powered with the Anderson plug that's installed in there. So that's nice and simple, and then close that up again.